Do you have a favourite piece of clothing that is looking the worse for wear? Would you like to learn how to make the clothes you love last? Tamara from Karhina Textiles teaches workshops that enable you to learn to repair and embellish your clothing, making them a delight to wear again. The workshops are designed to address the 6,000 kilograms of used but still wearable clothing that goes into Australian landfill every 10 minutes. By getting you to hold on to your clothes for at least 9 months longer reduces your water, waste and carbon footprint by up to 30%. Mending is a great life skill which can save you money, save your clothes and reduce your impact on the environment. You can choose from a variety of workshops, including Visible Mending, creating Sashiko patches, darning, needle felting and more. Mending can become an opportunity for wonderful decoration as well as reducing the amount of clothing going to landfill. Tamara also has a selection of mending kits and supplies to assist you on your mending journey. Visit karhina.com.